Brian here again, and today we're going to show you something we bought for our dog. Our dog is getting older and doesn't have the stamina to take long walks with us, so we talked to our vet and they recommended us getting a pet stroller. And so we found this pet stroller that by a company called Aosom, and I'll put a link to their website. I think it's spelled Aosom, and it can be used by attaching it to a bicycle, or it can be used as a stroller. And so what I'm showing you here is it collapsed down. We take it camping with us. We can throw it into a vehicle and then set it back up real quickly. I'm going to put it together here shortly and show you what it is, and then we'll go down the road for a little walk. But this thing will hold about an 88 pound up to 88 pound dog or pet. It has 20-inch wheels on the sides with little brake mechanisms and a brake handle on the handlebar on the back. It's got a front wheel that can either stay locked straight for like jogging purposes or something, or you can make it to swivel for when you're walking, so you can swivel and turn. And then it has a tongue type thing that swings out from underneath that'll attach it to a bike. But if you're going to use it as a stroller with the three wheels, you can attach it back underneath. It also comes with shock absorbers to try to take a little bit of the vibration out for your pet. And inside it has a mat that's kind of got some padding in it for the dog, but we've put another thin dog bed in it. There's two pockets, one on each side. I carry some tools. I carry a bike lock to chain it up to like our fifth wheel when we're camping. And if we go somewhere and we got to go down a trail and we can't take it, it does run smooth on concrete, blacktop, and gravel. The only thing we found it doesn't work well on is hiking trails, especially when the roots are exposed. So right now I'm going to pull the sides up and show you how it goes together, and then we'll do a walk. Here's the handlebar. You open it up each side. Now there is a metal bar that you can put in here that comes with it, but I don't put it in there because it's a little bit of a pain in the butt to take out. And since we take this with us, like if we go geocaching or when we go camping and I got to tear it apart and collapse it down, it's a little bit of, it's very difficult, and I found you really don't need it. The handlebars fit in these tubes here with little buttons to lock it in. And that kind of holds it up. Now, here's the brake controller. The handlebars are adjustable depending on your height. To put the wheels on the sides, the big 20-inch wheels, they have a hole here. You push a little lever down here, which will lock it in, and that tire is locked. It's very lightweight, made out of sturdy aluminum. That wheel's locked in. Now before I put the front wheel on, I want to show you the bottom. This here is the mechanism, and this is with the tongue that you can use to attach to a bicycle. And if we were bike riders, we can attach that to a bike. It's got a safety strap here. And you would attach this part here onto the back tire, and then you'd have a cart to pull with your bike. But right now we're not into biking, so we use it more as a three-wheel stroller. Now, this wheel attaches to the front, but it also has brackets back here that if you're going to hook it to a bike or something, say after you walk down a path at a park or something and you want to hook it to a bike to get there, you can put the wheel on the back. And I probably got it upside down. But you can stow it here out of the way until you're ready to use it on the front. But we use it on the front all the time. There's holes on the inner tube, and then you just spin these in to hold it in there tight. Our dog really loves this. She'll walk maybe 15-20 minutes is all, and then a lot of times we'll ask her if she wants in, and she'll walk over by the back door of it, ready to jump in. Now the front wheel right now I have locked. You can pull the knob up and you turn it 180 degrees, and now it'll swivel. Part of the braking mechanism are these bolts right here, one on each side for the big tires, and basically it's a simple operation. They give you these grooved metal things, metal tubes to thread on. And it works by just pulling and putting pressure on the tires so that you can slow it going downhill, especially if you've got a heavy dog in there. Sometimes it might try to get away from you. The 20-inch tires do have inner tubes in them. I don't know about the front one. We already had one tire that got a thorn in it, and so then I had to fix the tire. But you do have reflectors on the wheels and in the back and on the front. If it might be raining, you've got a front plastic cover or cool that the dog can look out. But then if it's nice out, you can roll the front cover up to let air in for your pet. And there's Velcro up here and Velcro on it, so you can Velcro it up. You also got side vents and a back vent. This top hatch has a solid piece, so if you wanted to take the solid up, you can roll it back and Velcro it to itself, or you can also pull the net part up. And our dog likes it this way, so she can stick her head up once in a while, and then we're able to roll it up and stick it right there.
Yeah.
Okay, and now the last part here is the back door. It's got zipper on it, it's mesh for ventilation. As you can see, our dog's ready to get in. You flip it up. You ready to jump in, Echo? Come on. No? She's not ready to go. She's ready to walk. And then we'll get her in there shortly. So, this is our Aosom dog stroller slash bike carrier. So we will pick this up after we get going on a walk, and she's ready to get in it. We'll get some video for you. Over this way, Echo.
real easy to control. You can even do it one-handed if you had to.
Are you ready to get in, Echo?
Should I go for a ride? Huh? Should I go for a ride? Hold on, let me unzip it. Wait. Okay, jump.
Hold on.